came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
It's missing something. I forgot to install my REDTIGER dashcam. REDTIGER sent me their F17 dashcam. It's a plug and play, but they were kind enough to give you the option to hardwire, which this little kit has everything you need to do so, including instructions. Now to the actual camera. It's a 4K camera that comes with front, rear, and inside cameras. It has a spot for your mount on it, and 4 buttons on the bottom, one being your power. Well, what's in the box? It's the mount in question, the wires to hook everything up, and you also have your back camera in here. Also included clips for those pesky wires, another trim tool, and an extra piece of 3M tape. Be sure to download the app from the quick start guide and check out the instruction manual for more. Now the fun part, installation. I already made sure the camera works. I went ahead and placed the mount as well. Now let's tuck this wire away. And it's in. You would have never knew there was wires. Now the tedious but not so hard install of the back camera. We ran the wire through a hole to the trunk there, and just like that, no wires shown. Maybe a little bit. Now it's time to hook up the back camera. Now let's go see if everything is plugged in as it should be. Well, it works! Great, so everything works, got it installed. Let's go for a little drive around. No, that sounds really good too. I wonder how my car sounds in the...
The next morning.
GridLife, boom.
Switched up pretty. So we made it to GridLife. No our car content today, but there's going to be plenty of other car content.
Of course you're taking a picture of Miata.
Of course I am. Always.
There's a lot here.
I know. Already spent the wheel.
I'm the only one that got blue because I have man hands.
I know that truck.
Shortest line of them all.
I did not record the food that we got, but here's the slushies. got the goods?
Got everything.
What's in the bag? Banana bread.
And clothes that I have no room for.
Even GridLife, not much drifting because for some reason every lap was only 10 minutes. Love that. Actually, en route home to make cake pops.
Approximately 10 hours later.
What you doing?
Doing BMW things and resealing the whole engine.
Jordy's leaving for Ohio on Thursday for a bike trip.
Yep.
So he's gonna be out there before we are for dun dun dun.
Final bout 7. Well, yeah, I bought this just in time. Tom delivered it. I want to reseal it before I leave. And then when we come back from Final Bout, put trans on, drop it in the car.
Yes. All right, as always, I'm gonna time lapse us removing the accessories. Things get repetitive, things get annoying.
All right, Kai, what are we doing?
We're taking your headers off.
Yeah, so
So
far.
no head? Sorry, I got a little carried away.
So far, what did we take off? You got this. You're a mechanic.
So far, we took off your AC components.
Okay, cool. Back to time lapse.
What are you doing?
Taking off the coil packs.
You got it. We're halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Really? I'm not really a big fan of gloves usually, but Michaela's doing my nails in a bit, so. What happened, Jordy?
It smells like the blue. It doesn't smell like coolant, we'll leave it at that. It smells like, the
that
blue
blue
shit in the
liquid.
porta potty.
Thermostat it is. Let's
Is that
go.
housing, I guess?
Ta-da! I'm taking the power steering pump off. You see how this is cracked? No good. Storm outside is crazy.
Everything's pretty much off that I want off. Water pump, thermostat housing, headers, motor mounts, blah, 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 whatever. We're gonna pressure wash it, so I'm leaving the oil filter housing on, so I don't want water getting in there. I gotta find a dipstick, but I think I'm gonna steal it from the other engine over there.
What other engine?
We have another 4-cylinder that I was gonna put in, but this was cheap enough that it made more sense to put this in instead. So I'm gonna take the dipstick from that, scrape some gunk off it, pressure wash it tomorrow. Pretty much it.
Got anything you want to say?
If anyone has a decent E36 radiator, that would be sick. I need one. I have one, but it's kind of junk and I don't know how old it is, and I don't want to spend $400 on a really nice one.
Back to me, sorry. Busy week, update on the Miata somewhat, got a dash cam installed. Thank you REDTIGER again, please go check them out. Amazing quality, love it. GridLife, awesome time, and update on Jordy's engine finally. We'll be back next time with more updates on this thing and maybe more dash cam videos.
Like, comment, subscribe.